Morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, August 28th. We're looking for overall dry conditions today, clear skies overall. We are looking for a little bit of thunderstorm development, mainly along our borders, just south of Burley, along the Utah border, as well as north of Driggs along the Wyoming border, and then near Monida Pass in the Beaverhead Mountains there on the Montana border. So those are going to be very isolated and not that strong. Very nice overall today. We are going to continue to see slightly reduced air quality, and that will likely continue through Saturday with some continued smoke, mostly from California. I'll show those pictures here in a minute. I'm not looking for any real significant impacts from that. We are looking at a big pattern change Saturday into Monday with a big cold front going through on Sunday. On Saturday, expect some moderate to strong winds with the low RH, particularly for our northern areas. We're going to have a fire weather watch out for our zones 475 and 476. And then we also, on Sunday, those winds drop a little bit farther south, and we'll have a fire weather watch out for our southern areas, mainly the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley, including zones 425 and 410, as well as our southern areas, including zones 413 and 427. And on Monday, you're going to see temperatures drop quite a bit, around 10 degrees below normal, opposed to the 10 degrees above normal we've been seeing a lot lately. And it's going to be, you'll have some isolated scattered showers as well, so they'll bring your RHs up a little bit, particularly on Tuesday. Here's that low that's going to come across us, drop down and bring all those colder temperatures for us on Monday. That's the cold front that we'll be working with, the next big pattern change. Here is kind of what a summary of what I just talked about. We'll have that isolated thunderstorms along our borders in these two areas. And then on Saturday, we have those fire weather watch for, again, zone 475 and 476. It'll be breezy with low RH pretty much across the whole area, but the winds look to be below criteria for elsewhere outside of the central mountains. On Sunday, though, that's a different change. They're not as windy in the central mountains and then drop across our southern areas. And then you can see here, they'll have the fire weather watch out for those four zones, 410, 413, 425, and 427. And the RH will be kind of marginal at best, but it does look to be right at the minimum, below 15% for some areas, but just slightly above for others. So we have a fire weather watch out for that as well for Sunday. And again, Monday and Tuesday will look really nice. We are looking at some just light showers on Monday, most of the area, and then the much cooler temperatures, then dry on Tuesday. As that frontal boundary moves and leave a little bit of breezing northerly winds behind. Here's that fire weather watch for the areas. Again, their northern areas for Saturday and our southern areas for Sunday. Here's that smoke I talked about. Overall, our air quality is pretty good, although we do have a yellow. That's still not too bad compared to 3 or 4 days ago. Here's the smoke from California. Still have the fire problems, and so you see it is moving across our area. This is an image from yesterday afternoon around 4 o'clock, and you can see there is just a little bit of light smoke haze across the area. Still, that probably will continue through Saturday, and then when the upper level brings a northerly flow, that'll bring the clear air from Canada into our area. And you'll see clear conditions, particularly Monday and Tuesday. High temperatures today around 86, a little bit higher than yesterday, or about the same. Nice. And then the RH does get near critical for today, but still mostly above critical for the whole area. And then Saturday, we're a little bit warmer. The high pressure builds in slightly across the area out ahead of that system moving in, but RHs are quite widespread, below 15%. But like I said, the stronger winds are going to be in our northern areas, and that's where the red flag fire weather watch is in effect for on Saturday. And then on Sunday, our temperatures do drop. You can see a good 5 to 10 degrees, 4 to 8 degrees below normal. And then our RHs do increase a little bit on Sunday, and then there's really strong winds. But you can see, for the most part, we still do have below 15 or near at least below 20. So we do have a fire weather watch out for all these areas here as well. Those are pretty strong winds. May even need a wind advisory for that day. And then high temperatures Monday drop a little bit more, around 10 degrees below normal. And then our H's are still kind of low. They don't really get better. We do have those showers I mentioned, isolated, scattered, mostly mountains. It does make it into the Snake Plain a little bit, but we're not looking over a lot of accumulation. At best, some of the mountain areas might get a tenth. Lower areas just a hundredth or a trace. So RH does get better on Tuesday after the showers. And so here's it has the wrong date on that. That's actually not Saturday, but that is this is actually this is the wrong time. This is actually Monday's precip amount. So you can see mostly for the northern areas and a little bit for our southern. Again, this is the wrong time. This is Monday. And then here's Thursday's temperatures. You can see throughout the week it does go back up to near normal, if not slightly above normal, from the 70s. And then our H's start to decrease again as you warm up. They were in the good 20s to 30s. I didn't show that graphic, but for Tuesday and Wednesday, but then they decrease by Thursday. So again, just a summary. Here's the overall dry conditions today with just some isolated afternoon thunderstorms along our borders. Very weak thunderstorms overall. Slightly reduced air quality still through Saturday, and then it gets much better into Monday. And we do have that big pattern change Saturday into Sunday with the big cold front, and we're looking at some fire weather highlights, possibly red flags for winds in RH, our northern areas on Saturday, for our southern areas on Sunday, and then that much cooler, the normal temperatures with a chance of some light showers across the area. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call. This number. Thank you.